Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're going to look at how you reverse the latch on a Winkhaus lock. Looking for the Winkhaus logo, so you'll know that that's the lock that you're dealing with. And the problem is this: when you come to reverse this latch, turning it round, inside it's got some form of lock. This has developed over the previous 12 months and people are having difficulty in reversing it. So this is how you do it. You turn the lock the other way around, and inside, as you depress the latch, up comes a screw. You use a screwdriver, electric or battery or ordinary if you wish. Take it out and then just screw it back in ever so slightly. Now, this latch will reverse provided that you do this. Slide a piece of timber in so that it's near the latch. Get a standard screwdriver, pop it on top. You'll find that there's some resistance, and as you tap it once, it goes. This allows you then to rotate the latch, pop it back in place, and then using the screwdriver tighten the latch back. Latch reversed. All done. Thanks for watching another one of our helpful videos from UPVC Spares for Repairs.